Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you sound or audio issues in Mewgenics game. So if you are facing any kind of sound or audio problem in Mewgenics game, then here follow the fixes. The first solution is to step to fix sound problem in Mewgenics. Open Windows settings. On the left, click on System. Then click on Sound. Scroll down. Now under Advanced, click on More Sound Settings. Now select your default sound device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Now go to the spatial sound, select off from the drop down, hit apply, OK, and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then if spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones, hit apply, OK, and then check if your problem is solved or not. This fixes all the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Solution 2. Steps to fix sound problem or audio problem in Mewgenics game if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Go to services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit on apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Solution 3 is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Mewgenics game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using a speaker and see if that helps or not. Solution 4 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect such peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then check. Solution 5 is to set default sound device. Now click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if a problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in Mewgenics game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.